let's have this interview here. Iris, come on. Let's hear these hiccups. I hear they're terrible things. They don't let you speak properly.
Yeah, I don't know.
Come on. So these hiccups, what causes them? Can you explain?
I don't know. Fuck you. I hate you.
Come on, Iris.
I really hate you.
Iris, that wasn't a good one. Come on, give us a good one. Alright, wait for it. Wait for it.
I hate you. It's funny.
Alright, this is hilarious. Iris, I don't understand what you're trying to say.
I hate you. That's really.
Alright, try to stop. Try not to do it. Just calm yourself. Try not to do it. Watch your head.
Hey! This motherfucker.
What would you call him? What's that? Motherfucker.
Oh my god. Oh shit.
That's a new way of saying that cussing at somebody else is a.
Oh my god. I hate you. I really hate you. I despise you.
I didn't do anything. You did that.
I despise you.
Iris, I don't understand this language you're speaking. Come on.
Fuck you.
I'm trying to speak English to you. You're speaking some. Please speak clearly.
I hate you.
Alright, we're here.